As silver and gold are currently hitting new all-time highs, nobody seems to notice what is happening to uranium. We have seen that massive reversal here in March of 2025. We have seen that bull run here actually continue. That actually began here after the COVID crash. And so in today's video, we discuss whether this is actually about to continue here for uranium or whether a phase of consolidation or bear market pressure is actually about to happen here to the uranium chart, to uranium prices. And to actually understand those key economic drivers, we have to take a look at the fundamentals and macroeconomics. And so let's start right away. If you have a look at the energy electricity demand here, you do see that the International Energy Agency has this statistic here that shows you the growth in electricity generation. You do see that with each decade here, we have seen that actually rising. And obviously, the projection for the next few decades is also positive. We do see, obviously, as the population is actually growing, as the economies around the world are growing, we do actually have to have more energy. Also, specifically regarding the AI infrastructure. Obviously, you need some kind of some energy that is actually reliable. Wind and solar energy are not so perfect for AI infrastructure due to the fact that they do only run if there is wind and sun. But obviously, the atomic energy seems to be quite favorable for the AI industry, and that is also why we do currently see a lot of construction happening here with China at 29 reactors actually under construction. Also in Asia generally, there's a lot of things happening in India, in Africa, in Russia. Not so much here in America and UK and Eastern Europe. So it seems like the Eastern world is more pivoting on this energy source. But obviously, if you're trading uranium, that is a other way to basically speculate or invest in the future of energy. And we do obviously have this being quite obvious. It's probably the most obvious trade that you can make in the financial markets. Obviously, obvious is that if the industries are growing, especially if the AI infrastructure is growing, we do need more electricity, we do need more energy, and that's why we at Corners believe that the uranium price is about to continue this bullish rally. We have seen that actually topping out here in 2024. And obviously, we do also have this monetary policy influence at uranium. It's quite important to mention at this point that it's not a scarce metal like, for example, gold and silver. And so it kind of differs from that. But we are currently also seeing this price surge here at uranium. It's currently sitting at around 91 US dollars per pound, and obviously that would suggest with this recent rally that we're seeing, we might just see a continuation and definitely new highs forming out here, because obviously it's also not that easy to print, and as we are currently seeing that transition from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing, as we are seeing interest rates being cut, we do believe that those will eventually lead to some monetary policy support here. And at the same time, obviously, we have this massive bullish factor of growing demand for those atomic reactors. And if you now combine those monetary policy aspects with those fundamental supply dynamics, we do obviously have a bullish influence from both of them. We have seen that after this problem happened here in Japan, this catastrophe, we have actually seen this bear market beginning here at uranium. But obviously, as we're transitioning to this green economy, where it's really important that you don't have so much emissions, it seems quite obvious that we are obviously also having more reactors being under construction. We are having demand actually growing in the future, and we are seeing this transition here also at the uranium prices. And it looks like, I mean, obviously from the structure here, it is quite obviously we are in a bull market, since we're having higher lows, we're having higher highs, and so it seems like this is actually a trend that can continue. Obviously, we have mentioned in several videos that we do believe in 2026 we'll see a deflationary crash similar to what we've seen here, for example, in 2020. And so if you are actually considering to invest in uranium, you should be aware that there can always be a time of uncertainty and a time where you will see sell-offs everywhere in the market. But as we've seen it here in 2020, those periods can be over quite fast. Obviously, uranium is a really important asset. It is just a different form of energy, trading electricity, and electricity is really needed. It is a necessity for every economy, and we do see that fundamental demand. We do also see the monetary policy with interest rate cuts and this transition from quantitative tightening to quantitative easing actually being quite favorable for the coming months for uranium. And so overall, we do obviously are quite bullish here on uranium. It is a really, it's just another way to trade energy. It's just another way to trade electricity. And as humans continue to flourish, we do believe that also uranium is about to continue this bull market here. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will learn something new. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you liked our analysis today. Thanks for your support. See you the next time. Bye bye.